So today I'm going to use only flat brush, only flat. So many flat brushes I have. Let's see how it's work. So if you have flat brushes like this, I have so many, but I'm going to use three or four today. So remember, a flat brush can give you the best effect if you are working on impression, not only in realism. In impressionism, flat brush has a great part in our art journey actually. So at first I use the big flat natural hair for the plain water wash. Now I am using a long handle flat. This is also big number 12 for the big sky. So you have to just understand that where you should use which number actually. Somehow you have to use the small one, the big one, but only flat brush, no other brush. Now you will see how it's work. So the blue already done. So now I'm going to take a small one and I'm going to add the shadow of the cloud little bit. So I'm using burnt umber and china and little bit swine's gray for the cloud, the dark part of the cloud. It is very easy to do. My paper is wet enough. It and my brush has a good quantity of pigment. So it's very easy. And now you can see that actually these brushes are really nice. It's from in my college life I purchased those brushes. These brushes are not available right now. Maybe some particular shop of them and like personal distributors can give you the brushes in West Bengal, but officially this brush is not available. So it was very old brush like which I am using now. In our college life, I have so many this kind of brushes, natural squirrel hair brush or mangoes hair brushes. So you can see how I'm using olive green for the tree, and now I'm using dark green and olive green and a little bit blue. And I mix together and make the darkest green. So remember, I try to avoid the primary colors direct on the paper. I don't like it. Very rare cases for making like human or maybe some particular objects. I use the primary color like red, blue, and yellow directly. Otherwise, I always mix pigment. So look, till now I didn't use any second brush like mop or angle or rigger, digger, fan, nothing. I am just using flat. Of course, changing the number of the brass. Like sometimes I'm using two, sometimes I'm using four, I'm using 20, but only flat brass. So the main thing, the benefit of the flat brush is if you think that if you want to create thin line by the flat brush, just tilt the brush a little bit. You can create thin line, and if you want to create thick line, just use it the big face of the flat brush, and you can create thick line. It's very easy to understand. Next video, I will definitely show you how it's work. But today, you can see just look at the beautiful cloud in the sky. It's wet enough. Till now, it's not dry totally. It's wet enough. So I can do more work on it. I am planning to add some long grasses by using the brass bristles. So here is a maybe a human or something like that. No need to make detail. This is a dense jungle. So many things here and there. Now I'm planning to do some big uh, grasses like that, which is very close to the camera. And now look, my page is wet enough, and I can do it very easily. So this is how you can create your impression by using flat brush. So just have a try at your home. Maybe it will not going to happen in one time, and you have to try three, four more time, and again. If you try, then it will happen definitely. This is my challenge. it will happen surely. Thank you so much for watching the video. Thanks a lot, each and everyone, for 5,000 for subscribers, and it's going good. Hopefully, now I'm trying to make my video in English or Hindi or Bengali, all those languages. Hopefully, it will help you. Do the subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video. Bye bye.